നമസ്കാരം പറയൂ.
Okay, this is Advait. അവനാകെ ഒരു എന്താ, he doesn't know where to start.
Advait,
He says I want some
Advait, what you have done?
BSc in Forensic Science.
Okay, where did you do?
Jain University, Bangalore.
What is the purpose of forensic science?
Forensic Science is to bring justice and collect evidences for
the fighting.
Why do you want us to provide justice and
who are the people who got involved in forensic science?
Police.
So you are not a police. You are not a police then.
Scientific experts.
Are you into any laboratory where they can do this?
Not yet.
Do you learn DNA patterning and all that?
Yes, sir.
Your biology is good?
Yes, sir.
So do you know about fingerprinting analysis?
Yes, sir.
You are interested in that sort of a specialization, then you should go to CCMB. There is a I think Lal Singh. Do you know who is the expert in that field today in the country?
No, sir.
Okay. Which is your interesting area now, as of now?
Crime scene investigation.
No, crime scene investigation has got many aspects, no? One of the aspect is, say, fingerprint analysis. That's why I asked you that.
Yeah, fingerprint.
No, one specific subject you tell me. In that, don't make it too large. See, up to 10th class, 12th class, if I say I like biology, that's good enough. Up to 10th class, if you say I like science, that is good enough. When you go to 12th, you must say I am interested in mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology. Now, having done your graduation, you must be able to tell which field in that you are interested.
Right now, I am interested in forensic anthropology.
Okay. So, what do you want to do in this now? Higher course.
I want to do my master's.
Where?
That's a confusion. I wanted to do it in US or UK.
Yeah, US cost you double than UK.
Yes, sir.
US will not allow you to stay there after your master's unless you find a job by yourself.
Is it UK or US?
US, both UK and US, both.
Okay.
Because UK is overcrowded. US want only very few. They allow people to come for education. And then if you do PhD there and all that education, higher education, they encourage people. And their visa process is based on the highest education, chances of getting visa is more. So masters is very common there. Unless you do in a very prestigious university, getting posting becomes very difficult. Because everything is contractual. 6 months, 1 year. So people hang around there without specific job. If they come back to India, they cannot go back. So they hang around there. That's why many people in US will not be able to come back to India. They can be there around because they don't throw you out. You have some contract with some company, you can work, but visa is not stamped in your passport. So if you want to be there, you can go for masters and hang around in US. But not everybody is well placed, well paid. But you have a decent life, not bad. UK, they throw you out. Otherwise, Germany or such places are good for. But if you want to permanently stay, Canada is the best in today's context. Canada, you can earn money, you can work, not much of restriction. But in UK and US and all that, you have got a number of hours restriction, costly world. But climate wise, Canada is not good, that's why people don't prefer. UK, most of the people after their education, they migrate to Australia and all that, because Australia is much well paid, better place to stay. But these policing job is actually not very flourishing in the market. How many of your seniors got good placement in the field which they studied?
Very less.
That's what I'm saying. They have to jump out. And anthropology and all anthropology is a good subject once upon a time. That's a very small subject which we can finish reading in 6 months or 1 year. You can finish whole anthropology. No, anthropology. I also taught I also attended conferences in anthropology. Kannur University has got an anthropology department. Same knowledge. It is not changed, because anthropology itself is a subject which doesn't change that fast, right? Anthropology is a very slow moving subject. And we don't believe in anthropology today because we believe in development. Development is a fast growth. Anthropology is a natural change. Who believes in natural changes? Yeah, but how many years people are working to find out whether human has come from gorilla or monkey? What has happened? If it is from gorilla or monkey, how does it matter?
Ongoing.
It's an ongoing theoretical fun study, nothing more than that. It's like saying, yeah, we have great Vedas. So what? Yeah, but there are people still interested, that's it.
So he's confused what to study next. If choosing itself has become a problem.
See, that is because you have gone into a subject which is, or on a road which is ending very fast.
So how about microbiology with this forensic?
See, micro means 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6 biology lost its relevance because people started 10 power minus 9. Much bigger, much larger, deeper inside. That is nanotechnology. Advait, you understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Micro is 10 power minus 6. Microbiology, biotechnology, all these was good and great. Maybe 20 years back. After that, nanotechnology picked up. So one area where you can maybe general research in nanotechnology is one field where it may survive for some more time. Okay, but what best can be done is, in the present scenario, if you want, and keep on applying all the master's programs, don't restrict to America and UK. If I have been to UK when my sons, both of them studied in UK. I have to spend a lot of money, one. When I went for graduation ceremony, I have seen 60% of Chinese people are there. Because they have a lot of money. And what do? They want to learn English. That is why they go to UK. See, the purpose of going to UK for higher education by Chinese is not to get a job. They want to improve their English. Okay. There are a lot of very good universities in UK where they are very strict. Unless you perform well, you cannot get a degree. And your culture in India is different from culture in UK. So most of the people, when they reach there, they get diluted into that culture and then they lose the interest in studies. Therefore, a lot of people fail. Unless you are very, very sincere, knowing this is what my interest is, I want to study in this university, I want to do this, very, very firm, disciplined life, then people become successful. But then out of 1,000 people, only one will go for PhD there. And getting a job becomes so difficult because it's totally crowded. It's like Bombay of India is like London of the world. You will see in each nook and corner universities, colleges, highly prestigious, plenty of people. But then you go out of London to the other UK part. There are large universities, big campuses, study cool. But they are very good in research sometimes. So they stick on to maybe out of 200, 300 people, 1 or 2 will get a PhD. So when you go abroad, you must decide that you are going to PhD or identifying some real useful applications and then you can work with some company. Get a job as you study. Get a good fellowship and go to best university. For which what you need is, you need to identify what is that which is interesting in those countries today. That can be seen by looking at different courses offered, match with your interests, and until you get a flight to go there to job for an entry, keep doing lot of online programs, free certification. Have you gone to edX?
edX?
No,
I have done but free certification courses.
No.
Coursera.
Have you gone to Coursera, edX? Look at all the options and get into the best university, different programs related to your subject and get at least 10 certification programs in a year. That shows you are academically interested. That will give you some credit for some fellowship there. And I asked you a question, who is good in fingerprint in India?
Who is it?
So what is required is, assume that if Advaita says I am interested in Hindi movie, immediately I will ask, who is the best actor? Will I not ask?
Yes, sir.
Who is the best director? Who is the best singer? Who is the best actress? Who is the best director? So many questions I will ask. You say that I have interest in cinema, but I don't know any of these names. That means what?
That means
You don't
not getting into details.
Yeah, you are not getting into details. You are only a very low level. Everybody need not know that. But you are not at higher level. You understood? Which is the last movie you have seen?
ഇത്ര സമയം എടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചാൽ ടക്കുന്ന് ആൻസർ വരണം.
Last movie was an old movie called Forrest Gump.
Yeah, that's an old motivational movie which is correct. Okay, who directed
That's
it?
what I've seen.
Who directed it?
Yesterday.
Who is the director there?
I don't know the director, but
Yeah.
I know it's Tom Hanks.
No, what?
Actor.
See, what I am saying is, yesterday I have seen a movie.
Okay.
The movie was on Jallianwala Bagh. Uddham Singh. So immediately after that, what I do is I read about Uddham Singh and then read about what happened there. Then also look at who was the director there. So the Shujit Sarkar, which are his earlier movies, and share it with somebody who is having similar interest. So very, very essential to do some research in that. That shows you have a research mentality. If you don't have research mentality, you don't have research mentality in anything. If you have in everything. Got it? So you must keep that research mentality. That is what is being proved, or that will go a long way. So that, oh, you have a research interest. Everybody need not have. So immediate, so your interest is to do research or to get a job.
Do research.
Doing research itself will become a job though. Full time within it.
No, but interest is research or getting a job. Getting a job means the present qualification is enough, you can get a job. You need not, see, every graduation doesn't mean you do post graduation in the same subject. No, not at all required. I know people who have done BTech in electrical engineering, then immediately shifted into biology, went into photography, but wanted to do wildlife photography, so want to learn wildlife. No connection on graduation and what they have done in their life. Graduation is only like earlier 10th class. So you could always branch out and then find out what is your real interest. But then you must be able to convince, oh, this is what, not anybody else, convince you that yes, this is my field.
Doctor, out of my interest, I have been sending him that actually kind of there was on Byju's.
I am not, Sona, I am not able to see you.
Yeah. Hi, doctor. Yeah, out of my interest and trying to create interest for them, I was suggesting what Byju's in the app and the UPSC training. UPSC in the training they are giving. So they keep sending links and the UPSC questions and the YouTube links and all that. So I keep forwarding it to him. Initially he was showing interest, but then he doesn't bother nowadays. He's saying somebody should push me and tell me what I should do and think. I was just trying to create interest in him to find out what his interest is. But then he's not. He doesn't know now whether to. What to do. He's keen on.
Sona, have you seen my book on Civil Service Prelims Handbook?
Yeah.
That means you have not seen most of my videos for students, guidance and all.
I have not seen many.
There are a lot of discussions with a lot of students on what to do further in their life, in which most of the people think, yeah, I have no interest, therefore let me try UPSC. That's a very, very wrong statement because it's not that simple examination. I have
sent past 4 years. I'm trying to send him. I'm sending him links past 4 years.
No, just now I have sent you a book on Civil Service Prelims Handbook, which is written by my student. Okay. In which you should assume that you are supposed to learn how to walk, or you are supposed to learn how to run, but you are putting him in a track where PT Usha is running. What will happen to him? He will find this, I cannot compete with them, and he will come out.
Cannot do it, yeah.
That is what happens. You are putting on to Byju.
Even before that, I have given a set of books with the reasoning skill right from first grade second grade, third, fourth, 10th grade wherever you the reasoning skill in the booklet. And he was showing interest. I was trying to make him think differently and all that. Reasoning developed because I don't want to. It's not that I want to put him in UPSC training, IAS and the lecture. It's a diverted way of thinking.
Okay, Sona, tell me one example of reasoning ability test.
Reasoning ability in the test, one in the comprehension thing is they show a picture and they ask you to guess the story.
Actually, that is not at all reasoning.
That is a part of it. Problem solving, picture, trying to develop a story.
Okay, Advait, tell me what is reasoning.
Mindset.
Reasoning is how to solve a problem in according to the situation.
Now, where is the problem in that picture which your mother gave as an example? Where is that problem solving there? Whose book you have been reading? Is it NCERT book or grade 1 to grade 10 reasoning means whose book?
Whose book? It's some publisher who is sending to schools.
That is what I am saying, NCERT. And that is not to be read, that is to be taught. School textbooks are to be taught.
It's like a workbook.
That is what I am saying. The workbook needs to be. Now let me ask you one question. I will give you one question for reasoning. Advaita and Sona, two members. Okay. You have a pen and paper, otherwise you cannot solve this problem.
Okay.
Advaita has got 1,000 rupees income. Sona has got 10,000 rupees income. 50% of Sona's income goes for housekeeping. 20% of Advait's income goes for housekeeping. 80% of Advait's income goes for education. 20% of Sona's income goes for education. The rest of the money goes for public service from both of you. Who is spending more money on education? How much and what is the difference?
You have to make a column, like your money separate, mine money separate.
One question you answer. Who is spending more money on education?
80% to me. Advaita is spending 80% on education.
Now my question is don't give me any answer. Only a name. Who is spending more money on education?
So Sona is paying more on education.
Why?
Because 20% of 10,000 is 2,000.
And
20% of 10,000 is 2,000. Whereas Advait's 80% is just 800.
Yeah, this is a reasoning problem. Simplest reasoning problem which I gave you. You understood?
Yes.
These are all reasoning problems. How do you understand if you ask a small person whose intelligence is not good, if I don't ask you to write down, just hear this, and such problems to read and answer, 3-4 options will be given, A, B, A and B, A or B, all that will be given. For that solution you get only 30 seconds time. If I give you one day and answer me tomorrow, anybody can do it. So reasoning is good presence of mind, fast solving, which require lot of practice. I was teaching MBA, BBA, a program called Campus to Corporate. Every corporate company also will ask you similar questions of reasoning. Analytical reasoning, logical reasoning, okay, vocabulary using how do you reason it, mathematical ability, basic data analysis, all that together. A course program is called Campus to Corporate. How do you get into a job? I never used pen and paper. I used to give problems like this, ask children to write and answer. You can see all of them KLH. KL University Hyderabad campus is called KLH. KLH Dr. TPS. There will be a lot of lectures. Many of my programs are on these questions and answers. And you will see on internet also. You don't look at grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. Or after grade 7 only the seriousness comes in this. And what is in academics is not that good. There are a lot of questions available online. You can work out that and do that. Analytical skill, logical reasoning, data analysis, lot of good statistics knowledge, basic mathematics knowledge.
He is allergic to math actually.
There is nothing called allergy. It is only the method.
Maximum computer.
No, that is because it is not being taught in the style it can be absorbed that fast. Got it? It is very simple. For this question which Advaita answered itself shows that you have got an aptitude. Aptitude is there, it needs training little more by yourself. As simple as that. So when did you pass out? Did you get your result, final year result?
Yes.
When?
Few months of May.
So May, June, July, August, September, October. What did you do 6 months?
6 months I was doing my IELTS class training.
IELTS,
And
IELTS, how much you got for theory? I mean the paragraph writing and all that?
listening I got 8. Reading I got 6.5. Writing and Speaking I got 7 and 7.5.
Okay, so this is good enough for you to get into Canada in some universities and all that also. 7.57 is what they look for. But then graduate GRE you didn't try?
GRE is something I am next planning.
Yeah, you can also write
Maximum.
GRE, GMAT, CAT, everything you write. Writing examination, looking at university has to be a very continuous full-time program, not do one, but do parallelly many. And if you look for migrating, Canada is one of the, if you are looking for free education, probably Germany or somewhere you will get universities. They, because of COVID, they don't even look at any pre-qualification like a GRE or IELTS also they are not seeing.
So how are studies in Germany?
Germany is free, but you cannot get a job unless you wanted to do PhD there. And good universities, national universities, education is free except living expenses. But then again, like rarely people only get into research there and continue there as faculty, or maybe like again looking at company, do some good projects. It all depends on your networking ability.
One thing Advait was talking about is forensic they end up in teaching profession, and that is what I don't like.
See, that
He
is
doesn't like teaching.
No, no. Most of the job, when you don't get any job, people get into teaching.
Okay.
But if you are really interested, passionate in teaching, that can be the good profession. That's why I left my job for teaching only. That is because, see, Advait, don't think that courses on anthropology, maybe politics, history, sociology, public administration, geography, economics, these are all being taught because we need that many number of graduates in this country. After plus 2, government has to give some education. Got it? Do you think psychology BA we are giving for people to become psychologists in this country?
Sure.
What we want is after plus 2, if everybody has to go for medical science or BTech, government needs that much infrastructure, or private people have to come out with that infrastructure to give such education. That's a very costly thing. And we don't have good professors in that subject who can teach really the subject in the way it has to be taught. Otherwise, the quality will come down. So it's like rationing. We are not giving many number of seats, many number of institutions, free programs. You have seen many medical colleges are not up to the standard. They disqualify. They don't get permission. But have you seen any of the programs in forensic science, BA psychology, history? This university is not qualified. They will not tell. Because that is to make people like common public should not wander in the street without doing anything. So give some course. So it is for arresting the youth actually. You have to see, until you recognize, identify what is that you want, because you are not very keen on getting a job soon after graduation. Otherwise, you would have gone for BTech. Or maybe your parents are not able to motivate you to study that well because you are not put in the best schools, best teachers to get you that training. Until your 10th class, you couldn't perform that well in 12th class. Therefore, your aspiration was restricted. All that is possible. That is why traditionally people failed in examination. Today they don't even fail. Because if they fail, what will happen? The next generation is coming. You don't have place for them to stay. So you are pushed up very fast. So it doesn't mean your graduation is a great degree which you have. There are lakhs of people like you in this country. So how do you become different from that lakhs of people, millions of people like you? Now you decide, having some glare in your eyes where you wanted to decide what I really wanted to do. This question itself is a great blessing for you. You understood? So now you think, what should I do? How do I change my merit from the lower, the middle class, or maybe the maximum number of people in this country equivalent to you are there? It is not good for me. I have to change my pattern. Now I must change my style of learning and make a difference in my life. Once you decide that, this step you can take into a better step. Forget about what is that you studied. Okay, so if UPSC is your aim, then all the 6 months which you have done for IELTS, don't say it is waste, because English is essential. Comprehension is essential. What is...
That is what I had in mind is, when he has his reading, listening, writing skills, that is, the side by side is developing something, a different kind of thinking developed. His thought process are improving. His writing and thinking style is different. So that is why what I wanted him to do the UPSC test, because push them
but then,
disciplined way.
See, but then the IELTS program has got a story writing reading. When did you read last newspaper, Advait?
2 days ago.
What is the news which you read?
I was reading the sports page, and the T20 World Cups have been started. And
No, what is the news? I am asking which, not which page. News. That means there is a story which you read. It is generally what comes in newspaper is called stories. So what is that story? One very specific story which is read. No,
Story is
one
about,
news which you read.
story is that CSK has won the IPL title for the fourth time.
How many years of life that story has got? How much gender knowledge relevance it has got?
I've got a very small amount of information.
No, what I am saying is, see, everybody in this country wastes a lot of time on sports, reading, and therefore it has been added into general knowledge. How does it matter to the common public? How much it matter to India as a country? If that interest is what you have, then you are fit for administration. Indian civil service means you have to represent India. You have to look up public interest. So there are a lot of happenings all over the world. Everything is trimmed and put into a newspaper, and it comes to your doorstep. So much of filtering is happening. So pick up some news which has got relevance in public life, which has got relevance in social life, which has got relevance, which gives development for people around. Then your interest is in administration. So it is not that mother pushes, father pushes, brother pushes. Everybody around you have that interest, then you will also develop that interest. Got it?
That is right. As an individual, like I'm trying to bring out this and
No. See, Sona, again I am telling, you did not understand.
yeah, actually I stopped interfering actually.
No,
Because
as
this life
I am trying to push him is a wrong word I am saying. Suppose Sona had that interest, okay, then definitely that environment in the house also will give him a quality of reading newspaper and looking at what is general in the world, right? Santosh,
the problem, I stopped buying newspaper because days together that roll is not even open.
not
Paper is
required.
again a roll of
No, that is what I am saying. That is because Sona is not reading, no. You want your you
I
want
read,
you want your children to read, but you don't read.
yeah, but even when we were all reading and when we years together when we had papers and I take him to his room and put it on his bed, someone read, and after we read we fold it and give it to him, but he shows interest. After telling him that
Sona, you may mistake me. What I am saying is, it is the family which discusses each other. If you are asking somebody to do something, is entirely different from discussing and then create. That is called satsang, no?
I know.
Satsang is not like putting inside your burqa and then seeing only dark. You are opening and then such discussions happen. I am not doing a postmortem and that doesn't help you also.
Yes.
So what I am saying is, when Advait reads, Sona reads, Santosh understands and reads, there has to be some discussion so that, when you speak, you have some common interest which get discussion.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That cannot happen unless Advait has got a group of people who are interested in civil service who will discuss with you.
Right. At last I am ending up over there only.
Therefore, what happens is many people join for coaching classes, then they find some group, they may discuss.
Yes.
Who is the winner there, not the brightest fellow.
Yes.
Those people who can network other people and then get to learn becomes successful.
Right. Yeah. Yesterday I came into a conclusion is like whatever your aim in life may be, but you have one whole year. He said he is going to wait for the next year to go to UK. So he has one whole year. So what will I do this year? So So I told him, join a general coaching center where you go and interact with people and come back. And I've given him a list of things, just like what you said, Coursera courses.
No,
If
but
he's done quite a lot.
again, Sona did not understand what I'm saying. Sona, show your
I'm talking about the combined
show your
studies
face
and
now.
getting to
Sona is talking half
like
at
when-
least, no. Now what happens is you are pushing him. Similarly, many people are pushed into such coaching centers.
Yes.
So
yes,
they
actually,
don't have the genuinity of interest, no.
Yeah.
Because
But
everybody
I was
is
creating interest. Also.
everybody is pushed there. So they are in a depression stage. And there also what will happen, like I was telling that you are put into a PT Usha track. That is a running race. So you don't have to push people into coaching centers where mostly uneducated. See, who you are teaching in the IAS coaching center, you will hardly see a IAS person or a retired person or a grey-haired person who retired from government will teach there. Do you think Dr. TPS will teach in any IAS center in Hyderabad? You know why? They pay you 500 rupees per hour. Who will go from here to that place for teaching? I never go. So don't think that coaching center will give a spirit and interest. Don't expect that at all. That is what I am saying. You need to have a good company who will have such interest, such discussions. Now you look at newspaper reading. You look at Dr. TPS newspaper reading for UPSC. Have you seen my playlist UPSC Dr. TPS?
I don't know.
There are a lot of students who come and then I ask them read newspaper, let us discuss. And we discuss. Such at least 2-3 you will see. Okay. So when you look at it, you know, oh, how to read newspaper, how to make a note out of it. Some people come back, some people don't come back. I don't think any place in this world where civil service training center people teach newspaper reading, like what I am doing. And it will not be good enough. You need people with whom you will discuss. You need to create a group, start associating, go to social network, connect to people, tell that, no, let us read and discuss. Then have some interest and then come back for directions and discussions. You are always welcome, Advait. Otherwise, again, what will happen? Advait will be pushed to some coaching center, you will pay 1 lakh rupees per 6 months. And then you will find fault with Advait saying, we lost 1 lakh rupees, you have not gained anything. You also become wasted your time and wasted our money.
Correct.
Understood? So find your passion, find your interest. Don't think that this is where I reached and I don't know what is to be done. You know there are a lot of options for you because you have not decided anything now. So in your subject, look at Coursera and edX and such open platforms. Do certification program. All the entry examinations, IELTS, GRE, GMAT, everything you keep writing. And then UPSC also you taste it. It's like a buffet in front of you. You can taste everything and then see which one you want. Then go and approach that to find more exploration. But then UPSC questions can be variety. I'll tell you, you have to read only Hindu newspaper world page only. Only world page, international page, that too Hindu newspaper. Any other page is useless. Don't read too many, only one news. And then you should also know India totally. That means you should know Vivekananda, you should know Radhakrishnan, you should know Aurobindo, you should know the history, you should have interest in mythology. There can be questions on writing about Krishna's flute also. Essay on Krishna's flute. So India must be your favorite place. If that is there in your blood, that is there in your thinking, if you can cultivate that, you are fit for Indian administrative service. Otherwise, many people waste 6 years, 7 years and then see, oh, they become a failure. They feel that, yeah, I wasted my. So don't do that also. Think whether, that's why I said go and taste and find out.
One more thing, doctor. When I say like Indian government is ready to serve you so much when you do service, India ku vendi adin cheyya. What is India going to give? India onnu illa.
No. See, nothing wrong about the thoughts of what Advaita has. There is nothing in India. I also prefer to stay in America. Because America has got a better facility. Canada is not good because climate is not good. Australia is beautiful. It has got some extra. I know Ireland is too good. But then I happen to take birth in India. My relationships are there. My parents are here. My siblings are here. And I am happy, rich enough to have an affordable life where I can have a place where without mosquitoes, I am connected to the world. I had an option when I was doing PhD, I was in Bangalore. I had an option immediately to become a teacher in Canada. I got a higher studies postdoctorate fellowship for going to Canada and then settle. I was not at all interested. It is not because India is great I want to serve India. By mistake my parents were in India, or by grace I happen to be an Indian. So that, see, just because your mother doesn't look good, you won't go and stay with some other beautiful girl and then call her mother, na? Just because your house doesn't have air condition, your neighbor has got an air condition, will you go and sleep there? You are always a secondary person there. You understood? Today at least I am able to talk to Sona. I don't know how much Sona is going to pay for me for this 1 hour. In America, if I do this, immediately they will ask you, give me your bank account, I will send you money. Without that, nobody entertains anybody. My life for last 10 years, I have served millions of people like this. Where I did not make any $1 million or million cents in my life. Social service is a passion in India. Social service is a punishment in Western country. You understood? So there is a different culture. I am good, my life is good. But both my sons loved that country and they are settled in, one is in Ireland, another one is in America. Got it? That is a big cultural difference. That's a big life difference. That's a big pattern. So what Sona thinks as, oh, I love my country, is not what made me here. That is, that point of time that I found is good. I am here, therefore I have to continue like that. That's it. It doesn't mean people went abroad doesn't love India. They love more. When I got lot of people who learned Bhagavad Gita very seriously in America than in India. They listen, they repeat. Probably my Bhagavad Gita classes in India is not that enjoyable to me. But 2 years back and 3 years back, what I taught in America is much more interesting because I've got 10 people physically sitting and listening very carefully. I've got a lot of satsang discussion. There are a lot of people who are interested in doing it. And their life is totally...
He was listening.
Their life
He
is...
was listening to your class before week.
Their life is totally mechanical. Right? They cannot come back because they cannot maintain that standard in India. I know people who went there saying that after 10 years I will come back. Last 40 years they are there. My own juniors who are working with me, I pushed them, go abroad, that's good for you. And they are there. Got it? So, nowhere in the world is bad. It all depends on how do I look at good and bad. Okay, there are one beautiful video you have to look at. What America imports from India.
Yeah. other Indian brains on the Indian
Beautiful
brains.
videos are there.
Human.
So if you go abroad, if you have research interest, you can continue in that. That will be very good.
And even before year, when he was doing his second year, I was talking to him about doing fellowship in India. Fellowship in forensic science in it's a 1 year, 1 or 2 years.
No, any program you do, even graduation, you become excellent and network with a lot of people, get connected, go with an extra interest in that subject. Immediately before completion itself, they go for post graduation, they go for research. There are a lot of people doing it. That's why I asked you, do you know where is the best research happening in fingerprint analysis? Fingerprint analysis started by Singh when he was working in CCMB. It is a fraction of CCMB who made it into a fingerprint analysis research center in Hyderabad. Laljit Singh, that is his name, Dr. Laljit Singh. We were all together those days, maybe 20 years back. We used to meet him, go to him. There are a lot of people on microbiology, DNA pattern. So many research was happening in CCMB. CCMB is a center for cellular and molecular biology, which started long back. Extra interest in such people who wanted to do such research, they started a different organization by themselves under Government of India. Got it? And you look at the people like on Yoga Day, Yoga Day I was talking to Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology in Kerala. The director, now Center for Biotechnology, the director. His basic degree is chemistry. Then he jumped into physics. Then he jumped into biology. So for post-graduation and higher studies and research, there is no basic degree dependence. I did my BSc in mathematics, MSc applied mathematics, PhD in fluid mechanics. But then what I do in my life is entirely different from what my basic course is.
Same thing in my case also.
So don't have to worry. You have a degree doesn't mean that is your end of your life. That's only a beginning of your life. Okay, Advait?
Yes.
So don't look at what is related to the subject for me to higher studies. No. You can always find something, I'm sure. And you have good facility. You are in Bangalore. Being in Bangalore is one of the biggest grace. And have a mother who is very much interested sitting beside you all the time.
He has two choices, one being in Hyderabad, one being in Bangalore. In the Ravali Santosh boy, the Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I said, you join the Osmania University and finish off. And then for further studies, you do what you want.
See, your mother is suggesting you the worst university in India probably.
He told me the same thing.
Yeah.
Osmania University,
The worst university probably in India could be such places. Don't listen to your mother on such recommendation. Just because she loves Hyderabad doesn't mean better than that is next to that campus there is a CFL. Do a masters in English or maybe foreign languages there. No. Why I am saying you must always look for national institutions, not state government owned or private universities. One biggest mistake is you went to one of the private university. You don't know whether that university does master's program, MTech also they give. But MTech approved programs, AICT only 5 people will get. Rest of the 40 people get without AICT approval also. They sell degrees. They cannot make all the students to fail because next year nobody will join there. So what do? All private universities are making money. That is one of the biggest problem in India. But India government cannot give that many seats in the government. They cannot run such institutions, though it is privatized. Nothing wrong. But the quality assurance is not guaranteed. So one of the biggest mistake is you did your graduation in a private university. And don't join any state university. If for post graduation you should look at that subject, which professor does PhD, how many papers he published. So if at all you are going, go to a central university, national university. There are Rajiv Gandhi Institute is a national university which has got a postgraduate program, they have got a certificate program, they have got internships. Look at such options. Go and spend some time in such laboratories or internships. That is also worthwhile.
Can he directly go like after graduation?
See, you need to show that you are a person who is interested in that by doing lot of courses, getting into connection, attend conferences, show interaction, show networking. That's what I said. Communication is networking.
He doesn't open his mouth much.
No, opening mouth is not required. Networking is not opening mouth or language skill. It is connecting to people and talking to people. This itself is a great thing. Now Sona want Advait to talk to me. You know how many parents, their children don't even allow this to happen. Parents talk to me. That is why when Sona says, I says no, schedule a meeting with them. Because I want to know you have lot of arguments. Let you come to a decision that you are ready, your son is ready, then come and sit. It doesn't happen. I know the world. No. We know lot of parents who pursue people to talk maybe 5 years after that. Then they will say, yeah, 5 years back we would have had it, then course would have been different. We know a lot of people. I am not doing it first time. No, I am into this for last 20 years.
Yeah.
So it's
That's
natural.
You were in my thought, like when I'm trying to push on samsarike, you no other better person will be able to
See,
help you.
that is again, Sona, that is because social life is a pattern in this world. I went to America. Other day I was talking to Amit. He is there for last 20 years. I went and stayed there 6 months. I know more number of people than who stayed there for 20 years, right?
Correct.
As I
It
came,
happened, my husband told me that.
yeah.
Yeah, Hyderabad within 10 days I knew all my neighbors around me.
That
And
is
he
what
said, I'm staying here past 1 year, I don't know anybody.
That is what I'm saying. It all depends on your style and your requirement,
Correct.
So it needs little bit of that blood and little bit of that pattern. And family also matters, a lot of things. How many neighbors will come, how many people will come. In my house in Hyderabad, every Saturday there used to be at least 20 people coming. Because we had satsang. All of them are into contact. Otherwise, how do I get into contact with the Sona? I am a social being. I live with the society all the time, right?
Yeah. So, Nala Model, the Hindu paper will come.
Now look at that, Advait, look at that reading newspaper, some pattern. Dr. TPS, you just look at UPSC, you will see geography teaching, you will see some history teaching, you will see public administration, you will see maybe newspaper reading. There may be 1 or 2 anyway. As a sample, I post it.
I have been posting your videos, whatever you have forwarded me. I'm posting him also. So
No, don't get to know. You don't.
Last week.
This is common for most of the youths, so there is nothing wrong. You will also see a lot of microbiology, bioinformatics discussion, Dr. TPS. There are a lot of children after bioinformatics, microbiology also, they don't know what is to be done. Many students come to me and say, oh, microbiology I want to learn, bioinformatics I want to learn, medical data analysis also you will see. Many students come and discuss their subjects also. Now Advait can decide, oh, this is the subject which I want. Let me check how much is I understood in that. We can have a discussion. Any point of time you can call and then put a discussion.
This is what I said. I just got into your 9th standard science discussion the other day.
Yeah.
And it again, it was another rethinking for me. It was really nice to know all over again.
I get lot of children.
I also-
Maybe grade 3, grade 4 children to maybe post graduation teachers. Everybody comes to.
എനിക്ക് സൈക്കോളജിന്റെ കുറച്ച് ലിങ്ക് വേണം. Means I will search anyway else.
Identify some 10 questions and then start discussing. Then the link will come.
Correct. Anything else you want? Abang, now what have you decided?
No, you don't have to. Slowly think about it and then no.
Correct.
Taste everywhere.
Totally
The
confused,
buffet is in front of you.
Resume making a resume for submission itself, he was stuck.
No, the basic, Sona, the word itself is wrong. You are not supposed to make a resume. Resume is continuing. The job is called resume. Resume means continue.
Correct.
So he is not in a job. So he is not supposed to make a resume. He is supposed to make curriculum vitae. Be very careful in each word which you use, because that itself shows how much thought process you have, how much you are thinking. These are all, many people will misguide you in life because they don't think and they don't know. You will see resume preparation, career guidance. Career is only after getting one job. So every student should not get into career guidance. They should get one chance of one job. But you will see still career guidance program is organized in schools. I say stupid, that's it. Because teachers have no knowledge, they have not understood and analyzed. So your curriculum vitae preparation is not at all important. What is required is, see, some universities will ask you, when you apply, they will know different patterns. Some universities...
And one more thing, doctor, people are offering they are offering help to make your CV and they're charging 6,000 rupees.
I am saying that those people don't know the word of how to make it. If you don't know, there are a lot of people. It's only 6,000 in Hyderabad. There are people who will write your interest. Your interest they will write and give you. Okay. But when you reach such places, why are they asking such questions? Because the pattern of teaching is such. If you are not getting qualified there, you will become a failure there. So it is easy to get some admission. But in a quality education, getting a degree which you are eligible and you perform well is very difficult. So don't bribe for any of such things. But you can make and then send it to somebody for editing, and maybe you do corrections and all, but they are living on that, so nothing wrong. I know my own students are making money out of doing such jobs because they don't get any other job. So most of the people survive in cheating people like this.
Okay.
You don't require. See, you keep on applying. What I am saying, you keep on applying into 50 universities. When you apply 50 universities, you will have to spend a lot of money. That will give you a lot of education, how to apply, how to get into the such things, you know.
That is what his father tells.
Keep applying.
Each time you will be better than what you were.
And you don't get also no problem. It is not a big mistake because you keep learning from different universities free of cost. There are a lot of courses. Make your biodata with a lot of files where you have shown your interest in different things in life. Okay. Don't pay money for any such a small joker's job.
Yes. Correct. That is a very nice statement. Okay. Anything else?
Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.
Always welcome.
Namaskaram. Thank you.
ಬಾಯ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅದ್ವೈತ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆ, ತೆಲುಗು తెలుసు.
ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ನನಗೆ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I know to read and write.
Then you should teach him also. Malayalam, he read and write?
I tell him, like, let us learn all
Don't tell him. This is what the problem. Mothers only tell them.
I thought I should initiate him learning alphabets.
No, don't read alphabets also. Don't write alphabets also. Advait, if you want to learn, this is the right chance. Write all the names of people, names of places, read Malayalam newspaper, copy it into, you can use on online also, no? And type it and then see that letters imprints in you. You are not a KG student to write alphabets.
As a Montessori teacher, I do that only. We do not teach alphabets ABCD. Like, if it is cat, it is we show the symbol and it is cat.
Keep writing.
It is not like,
keep writing about the names of different people, places names and all that, then you will learn. And then keep reading. Then keep reading newspaper so that you become a good reader. Both my sons studied in Hyderabad, but both of them read Malayalam fluently. Now, for doing PhD for my elder son, Malayalam reading and writing, the whole thing was helpful. And now he is an editor for one of the magazines which have got a bilingual in Malayalam also. He reads novels, poetries. So, don't miss the chance of learning anything in your life, any point of time which helps you to learn. Because later in part of your life that will become a big investment, which you cannot redo it, which you cannot get later. Okay. All the best. Love you.
He will trouble you again, doctor.
No, you cannot trouble me because I don't take it as a trouble, no?
Yeah, we'll take your time then.
You are welcome all the time. My time is for somebody else. It is being used by many people who are not even connected to me. And you are also not connected to me, right? So we are getting connected. Right. So that gets connection. Right. Otherwise, I don't see Advait at all, right?
Right. Thank you, doctor. Thanks.
God bless you.
Good afternoon. Bhashana undakiya?
I just made kanji.
Okay, doctor.
Bye.
Bye.